Your brain lies to you every single day. Not sometimes, not accidentally, on purpose. And the scariest part is, it's doing it to protect you. We grow up believing our brain shows us reality exactly as it is, that what we see, feel, and remember must be true. But the truth is far stranger. Your brain edits reality before you ever experience it. It filters, adjusts, and rewrites information so the world feels safe and understandable. What you experience isn't the world itself, it's the brain's interpretation of the world. This isn't a mistake, and it isn't a flaw. Your brain evolved in a dangerous world. One wrong decision could mean death. So accuracy became less important than speed. If something might be dangerous, your brain assumes it is, and asks questions later. Think about your childhood. You probably remember moments that feel vivid, sounds, faces, emotions. But neuroscience reveals something uncomfortable. Memories aren't recordings, they're reconstructions. Every time you remember an event, your brain rebuilds it from fragments and quietly fills in the gaps. That means the memory you trust the most may have never happened exactly that way. Your brain lies you to keep your life story stable. Have you noticed how confident people can be, even when they're wrong? That's not intelligence. That's identity protection. Your beliefs are part of who you are. Challenging them feels like a personal attack. So when facts threaten your identity, your brain doesn't debate them. It edits them. This is why arguments rarely change minds. Your brain also lies about danger. When your heart races, your brain doesn't calmly investigate. It decides first, this is a threat, and explains later. That's why anxiety feels like truth. Your body reacts even when nothing is actually wrong. Your brain evolved to keep you alive, not to keep you accurate. Your brain even lies to help you belong. It exaggerates social threats. It makes rejection feel dangerous. That's why embarrassment feels physical and loneliness feels painful. Thousands of years ago, being rejected by the group could mean death. So your brain still treats it that way. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Your brain doesn't care about reality. It cares about survival, comfort, and certainty. So it hides facts, it softens pain, and sometimes it lies. Not because it's broken, but because it's trying to help. The next time your thoughts feel absolutely real, pause. Ask yourself, is this reality or just my brain trying to protect me? Because the most powerful thing you can do is notice the lie.